Number 3, dispose of waste properly. As always, pack it in, pack it out. So here's a pack it in, pack it out about how it takes 2 years for an orange peel to degrade. And 10 feet away, we find an orange peel. Leftover food, food peels, bacon grease, your toilet paper, and any other trash that you create, you need to pack out with you. Ideally, you even pick some up while you're out on the way. Try to use a toilet anytime that one is available. And if there isn't one available, then you can check out this video that's all about pooping outside. And I do discuss the desert in that video. If you are creating a cat hole, then look for organic soil and something away from cryptobiotic crusts. Things take longer to break down out in the desert, so burying toilet paper really is not recommended. Burning your toilet paper can cause a wildfire, so really packing it out is the way to go. If you opt for natural toilet papers, then you need to bury that with your waste. Try to avoid urinating onto plants because animals have been known to destroy those plants trying to go for the salt in our urine. Go for gravel, rocks, bare surfaces instead. Even better if you can dilute it if you have the water to spare. And remember to keep all wastewater and cat holes at least 200 feet from any water source. And that includes a dry water source.